Hi everyone. Today in this video, I want to share with you one offer which we are having on Swiggy plus PhonePe combination. So if you are doing a purchase or food item booking on Swiggy, then in the while paying the amount or while purchasing or doing the transaction, you can, if you do the purchase or transaction through PhonePe, then you will be getting 25% cashback. That is, you can see here, pay via PhonePe and get 25% cashback on each of your first transactions. So this is applicable only if you are a first time purchase of, if you are doing first pay purchase of PhonePe or first time purchase of Swiggy using PhonePe. So if you are doing if you are already purchased through Swiggy, then no problem, but if you have already purchased through PhonePe, then this might not be applicable to you. But if you haven't purchased through PhonePe, then you can try this option. This is what you can see. I have clicked on more details. The offer is valid on first two transactions made via PhonePe, and the max cashback is rupees 100 on first transaction and max cashback is rupees 50 on second transaction. You have to pay the payment through UPI. This is applicable on payment through UPI, debit card or credit card valid within PhonePe, and the offer will be available on any purchases made through Swiggy Android app. So make sure that you are doing this purchase through Swiggy Android app. No coupon code required, just the purchase transaction should be through PhonePe. Cashback to be credited to your PhonePe wallet within 24 hours. So this is valid from 20th March to 30th April. So you can do the purchase of your Swiggy through PhonePe, and make sure that it is through Swiggy Android app, and this is applicable only on your first and second transaction. So first transaction you will be getting a 25% cashback. The max cashback is up to rupees 100, and for second time it is max cashback will be up to rupees 50. So this way you can purchase through Swiggy and PhonePe and get 25% cashback. Hope this offer will be useful to you, and like, this is applicable till 30th April. And if you haven't tried through PhonePe, if you don't know how to purchase through Swiggy and PhonePe, then check out the video on the right top where I've made a Swiggy purchase through PhonePe. You can follow the same procedure I've done through UPI ID. You can choose UPI ID or debit card or credit card, anything. If you have the money already in your wallet for the transaction, even that can be applicable. So this way you can do the transaction. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe for similar offers, tech and money related videos. Bye, have a nice day.
You say you wanna try, but you never